Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can modify a recurring task in Clickup. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, so first of all, open up a browser of your choice and go over to Clickup website, log in into your account, and simply navigate to the desired workspace and locate the recurring task in the task list or project view. Click on the task to open the task details. Look for the due date field and click on it to access the due date and recurrent settings. Make the necessary modification to the recurrence pattern, such as changing the frequency, interval, or specific date. And after making the desired changes, click over on Save to update the recurring task. Now you can easily modify a recurring task in Clickup. So that's all for today's video, guys. This is how you can modify a recurring task in Clickup. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.